Imagine cruising down a quiet road, surrounded by nature, the sun shining above, and knowing that every mile you travel is powered by the very sunlight kissing your wooden camper. This is not just an ordinary RV. It's a self-sufficient, eco-friendly wooden solar panel camper tricycle designed to take you off the grid in the most sustainable way possible. A new way to explore, a new way to travel, a new way to live. At first glance, it looks like something out of a futuristic eco-utopia. The structure is crafted from lightweight, durable wood, giving it a rustic, natural charm while maintaining a sturdy build. Unlike traditional RVs, this compact tricycle camper is small, agile, and designed for a slow, immersive travel experience. The wooden shell is both an aesthetic statement and a functional design, offering insulation, sustainability, and a natural blend into the environment. The real magic happens on top. The solar panels mounted on the roof soak up sunlight throughout the day, providing clean, renewable energy to keep the onboard systems running. From powering lights and a small fan to charging essential devices, the solar panels ensure that you remain independent from external power sources. No noisy generators, no fuel dependency, just pure, silent solar energy keeping you on the move. This tricycle RV is not about speed, it's about the journey. The three-wheel design makes it stable and easy to navigate, even on rougher terrain. Unlike bulky motorhomes that require gas stations and parking lots, this vehicle is compact enough to go wherever your heart desires. Whether it's a serene forest, a lakeside retreat, or a quiet beachside hideaway, this camper allows you to get closer to nature without leaving a carbon footprint. Inside, the minimalist design is surprisingly functional. A small sleeping area folds out neatly, maximizing space efficiency. Storage compartments are built into the wooden walls, keeping essentials organized and easily accessible. A tiny kitchenette setup allows for basic cooking, utilizing an electric hot plate powered by the solar energy harvested during the day. A small water tank and collapsible sink make it possible to maintain hygiene on the road, while a compact composting toilet ensures an eco-friendly waste solution. For those who love customization, the design allows for plenty of personal touches. Some travelers might add additional foldable solar panels to increase energy capacity, while others might incorporate a rainwater collection system for added sustainability. The modular nature of this camper tricycle means it can adapt to different needs, whether it's a weekend escape, a long-term adventure, or even a tiny mobile home. One of the most rewarding aspects of this vehicle is the way it changes your perspective on travel. No longer are you rushing from one destination to another. Instead, every ride becomes an opportunity to soak in the surroundings, to enjoy the simplicity of the open road, and to truly disconnect from the fast-paced world. It invites you to slow down, to embrace a mindful way of living, and to appreciate the little things, like waking up to the sound of birds rather than the hum of an engine. It's also a great conversation starter. Wherever you go, people are bound to stop and ask about this unique wooden solar camper. It stands as a symbol of innovation, proving that sustainable travel isn't just a dream but a reality. The fusion of traditional craftsmanship with modern solar technology creates something truly special, a glimpse into what the future of nomadic living could look like. For city dwellers looking for an escape, this camper tricycle offers the perfect solution. It's compact enough to navigate urban streets, yet equipped for off-grid adventures. With increasing concerns about fuel prices and environmental impact, this alternative mode of travel is both practical and forward-thinking. It proves that you don't need a massive gas-guzzling vehicle to experience the freedom of the open road. The build process of such a vehicle is as fascinating as the journey itself. Many DIY enthusiasts and sustainability advocates have started crafting their own versions, using reclaimed wood, repurposed bicycle parts, and high-efficiency solar panels. The sense of accomplishment that comes from creating a fully functional, energy-independent home on wheels is unmatched. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the drive to live harmoniously with nature. Maintenance is surprisingly low compared to traditional RVs. There's no engine to worry about, no expensive fuel costs, and no complicated mechanical systems. Regular checks on the solar panels, battery storage, and basic bicycle maintenance keep everything in smooth working order. With proper care, this wooden camper tricycle can last for years, making it an incredibly cost-effective investment for travel lovers. As the world shifts towards greener solutions, innovations like this show that there are endless possibilities for sustainable transportation. Whether it's for solo adventurers, digital nomads, or eco-conscious travelers, this camper tricycle redefines the way we think about mobility. It's proof that with creativity, technology, and a passion for sustainability, we can build a future where travel and environmental responsibility go hand in hand. Imagine the stories you could create with a home like this. Waking up to sunrise over a misty mountain range, enjoying a cup of coffee with the waves gently rolling in. Falling asleep under a blanket of stars, knowing that your journey leaves nothing behind but memories. This isn't just a mode of transportation, it's a lifestyle, an experience, and a movement towards something better. For those seeking adventure without compromise, the wooden solar panel camper tricycle is more than just a vehicle, it's a gateway to freedom, a testament to human creativity, and a step toward a greener world. The road is calling. How will you answer?